Gareth, I've had a handful of conversations on this podcast over the past few years that have shared the common theme of sustainability coming at the cost of profitability. And as it relates to energy systems specifically, is this a misconception?
I think it's actually one of three misconceptions today, and it's definitely the primary one. I think even a few years ago, though, it wasn't a misconception. I think technology has come a huge way. Solar and storage technologies have reduced in cost by over 80% in the last 10 years. So we've gone down this really aggressive cost curve. And in parallel to that, we've seen utility rates really starting to escalate for customers. And so I think a combination of those two items has made the energy transition actually really profitable for businesses, instead of being at the mercy of year on year cost escalations where you're a passive consumer of energy from the grid. The grid is getting older, it's getting harder to maintain, harder to operate. And as such, the utilities have to invest more money in it. You and I and businesses around the world pay for those investments. We are ratepayers at the end of the day. We're not seen as being customers per se. And so those costs get passed on to us. And unless we take control over that, they're going to keep going up year on year. They're never going to go down. And so this is the opportunity today is, do you want to lock in your costs with an on-site energy system for the next 20 years and gain the benefits of that and have a firm line item on your balance sheet that you can really plan around? Or do you want to run the risk of just playing the gauntlet of not knowing where the prices are going to end up?